Lord Almighty, thank you for your healings through doctors. I thank you for their service and hard work. I pray that you protect them and their families.
Mohita,
Oh, Apurva,
what's special for today? Why these prayers?
I'll tell you. Come, let's go in first. Please sit, Apurva. You are asking about the prayers. Those prayers of mine were tribute to doctors.
Tribute to doctors. Suddenly why?
Oh, don't you remember? Today is July 1st.
July 1st. So what's so special about it?
July 1st is National Doctors' Day.
Doctor's Day. I have heard about it. But I have no idea why it is celebrated on July 1st.
Okay, let me tell you. In India, July 1st is celebrated as National Doctors' Day by Indian Medical Institution. This day is observed to commemorate the birth and death anniversary of former Bengal Chief Minister Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who was a physician, surgeon, educationist and founder of many medical institutions.
Oh, is it?
And also, this day is contributed to all the doctors who have sacrificed their lives, especially during this corona pandemic.
Yes.
Now, if you watch this video, you will come to know.
Okay.
It's been 3 years since COVID-19 pandemic engulfed the whole country. Our doctors have been serving day in and day out like soldiers to protect life of our dear ones. In these historic times, they have witnessed so many deaths around them and have worked tirelessly without a break. They also had to self-quarantine themselves due to the fear of taking the virus to their own family. It has been an emotionally and physically exhausting journey for doctors, both at professional and personal levels. They had to face great challenges against PPE kits, unavailability of COVID medications, remdesivir, oxygen cylinders, hospital beds, etc., especially during the second wave. Despite being medical healthcare professionals, they also faced traumatic situations to get back for their own friends and family members. Watching patients dying close by them without any relatives on their side was quite daunting, a feeling that plays even on their mental side. Heartfelt gratitude to the warriors who are relentlessly fighting. We applaud and salute you.
See, Apurva, how our doctors have sacrificed their lives.
Yes, so true.
In this connection, we are also planning to visit Dr. Chaitra at Bharti Hospital and Dr. Arun, who is an orthopedic in Vijayanagara Ortho Clinic. They both are students of our school. So, do you want to join us?
Yes, I would also like to be a part of it.
Come, let's go. Good morning, ma'am. We are from Cordial High School. We are celebrating Doctor's Day on July 1st. So, we would like to ask some questions on your profession. About yourself, about your studies and your profession.
Okay, look, I'm Dr. Chaitra. I've finished my medical from Bangalore Medical College, okay, MBBS. Then after that, I did my obstetrics and gynecology super specialization from Kempegowda Medical Institute. Okay, and then I worked in Kerala for about 6 months. And later on at YDA Medical College for about 9 months. And after that, I started my own private practice.
How do you think has corona influenced the doctor's mental health now?
Because of the sheer number of the COVID patients, okay, the stress on the doctors was more, okay, rather than just work stress. Mentally, it has affected most of the doctors who were treating COVID patients. Okay, because we are not seeing the deaths day in and day out. Even in emergency cases, we didn't have such a massive number of people falling ill, coming, and the OPDs were crowded. Okay, so in spite of all that, in spite of us treating them, okay, there were still so many deaths. Okay, so seeing those deaths, many doctors had gone into major depression. Okay, and the doctors, and more than the doctors, the additional staff, like all the nurses, okay, and the paramedical staff, the lab technicians, all of them were working 24/7 just to see to it that the patients got well as soon as possible. So it has affected them mentally a lot. They're stressed a lot mentally.
Would you like to give any message to the people in general?
About what? About COVID or something?
Yes, ma'am, about precautions, what they should take.
About vaccination.
No, vaccination is a must.
Yes, ma'am.
Even kids today, even they're getting vaccinated, flu vaccines, they're getting it every year. Okay, so until we have to start living with this COVID disease. Okay, so we should accept COVID as a regular disease like fever, flu, something like that. Okay, so vaccination is a must. That is not, there's no other second thoughts about it. People should get themselves vaccinated. Other than that, there should be no fear. Like, even after getting vaccinated, there's no surety that you're not going to get infected with COVID. Okay, but the severity and the hospitalization is very, very much less in vaccinated patients. Okay, so the fear of getting the COVID disease should not be there in the public. Okay, and you should maintain a good personal hygiene. Okay, wash your hands, wear mask. Okay, until it is for sure that when the government advises us, or the health department which is looking after this advises us that we are okay with not wearing mask, it's better to wear a mask.
Thank you, ma'am,
Thank you,
for your
ma'am.
time.
I, Dr. Arun GC, orthopedic spine surgeon, practicing in Vijayanagar, Bangalore. I am a specialist in spine surgery and spine related ailments. Being an alumni of this esteemed Cordial School, I feel really proud to be a student of this institute. I studied from my KG to 10th standard in Cordial High School and passed out in the year 2000. I owe my achievements to my teachers who have guided me to become a very successful doctor. COVID-19 was a very bad pandemic which started in the year 2019, which is still going on. Nation was shut down because of this COVID-19 pandemic. As doctors, no one could sit at home. We had to work and face the difficulties and take precautions and also safety measures. Hand sanitization, proper wearing of mask, and also social distancing helped preventing the spread of virus. It needs to be even followed now because the fourth wave is still on. No matter of all the difficulties, nation has most likely completely overcome this pandemic. And as children and students, the age of vaccination is still 15 years. It may still get reduced till the age of 6 years. So children also in the future will be vaccinated to prevent the spread of this virus. And it is proven that children will never develop a severe form of disease what it has been developing in the adults. So vaccination has played a very important role in preventing the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. And as per statistics, more than 70% of the population have been vaccinated till now. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving me an opportunity.
That was a great experience, wasn't it?
Yes, absolutely. And at this situation, I remember a song, Samarpan.
I also remember it. Shall we sing it together as a tribute to doctors?
Yeah, sure. समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम, ममता का तू है दूज नाम, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम। आपदा से हिरण तू है लड़ रहा, मौत का बढ़ रहा कारवां, तेरे हाथों से ही जग का शीश है, तेरा जीवन तेरा ना रहा। इस पथ पर चले ना रुके ना डरे, विश्व तेरा ऋणी हो गया। सूरज की तरह तू अखंडित रहा, तेरा जीवन की है प्रेरणा। समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम, ममता का तू है दूज नाम, समर्पण को तेरे